Okay, you ready? Okay, take your time. Uh-oh. That didn't work out too well. All right, try it again. Remember, get it pointed right first and then grab the handles. There you go. Okay, now get it pointed to me. Okay, sit on it. There you go. Good. Okay, now you got it. Now get handles. There you go. Keep your feet in front. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. Oh, hang on, hang on. Oh! It's a wipeout.